Welcome to a new episode about swords. I'd like to show you a bronze Mycenaean Type G sword made by Noraagic Foundry. Type G Mycenaean swords are known as horned swords due to protrusions for the index finger, not a guard. This piece was crafted for a long-time loyal customer of our workshop. As you can see, it's a rather ornate sword, especially in its finishes. It's a full tang sword, meaning the blade extends through the handle to the pommel. In cutlery terminology, there are terms like hidden tang that describe how the blade extends into the handle. This sword has a pommel that develops directly from the handle, or rather from the tang of the sword itself. It's suspended by this shoulder strap and worn at the hip like a belt. Personally, I always place my index finger here, as I believe this sword was gripped this way. There's an ongoing debate online about how these swords were actually used. After creating it, I mainly focused on crafting the pommel, handle, polishing, bevels, and essentially all the post-casting work. My friend Sandro Garao and I cast it, then we decided with the client on the desired finish. I went beyond the initial budget, opting for an almost mirror-polished version with defined bevels. The sword isn't sharp, so it's not a weapon. It has no point. As you can see, it doesn't pierce. Thus, it's not a weapon, just an expensive ornament, a simulacrum. Laws for bladed weapons don't apply to simulacra.